Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'll be showing you can you get the Threads badge back on Instagram. If you go right here on your Instagram profile page, you will find your Threads badge at the bottom of your profile picture. Now, actually, if you try to remove this Threads badge right here, for example, you want to tap that Threads badge, then a message here shows up, as you can see here on your screen, saying this temporary badge lets your followers know that you're on Threads and sends them to your profile if they have the app. Then at the bottom, you'll find your choices here if you want to view Threads profile or you want to hide this badge or remove this badge. So if you want to tap that hide badge, then you'll find this message shows up right here saying, are you sure you can't add it back to your profile once you've removed it? So the answer if can you get the Threads badge back on Instagram? So as you can see here, if you remove that badge, you can no longer to add it back to your profile once you remove this Threads badge on your Instagram. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.